unveiling the mystery of squeegee, a fun English learning journey. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a quirky but useful word in the English language, squeegee. This word might sound funny, but it's quite common in everyday conversations, especially in certain contexts. Let's unravel the mystery of what squeegee means, how it's used, and some interesting facts about it. Get ready to add a fun word to your English vocabulary. The word squeegee refers to a tool with a flat, smooth rubber blade used to remove or control the flow of liquid on a surface. Traditionally, it's a cleaning instrument used for windows, where it effectively removes water or soap, leaving the surface clean and streak-free. But squeegees aren't limited to just cleaning windows. They have various other uses too, which we'll explore. The history of words is often fascinating, and squeegee is no exception. It's believed that squeegee comes from the word squeege, which was a nautical term. Sailors used a tool called a squeege to clean the decks of ships. Over time, the word evolved into squeegee and broadened its usage beyond the nautical world. You might encounter a squeegee in various scenarios. Here are a few. Window cleaning, the most common use, ideal for getting a clear, streak-free view. Screen printing, used to press ink through a screen in screen printing processes. Automotive, helpful in removing water from car windows or windshields. Bathrooms, used to prevent water spots on shower doors or tiles. Interestingly, squeegee can also be used metaphorically. It might represent clearing away problems or difficulties, much like how it clears water from a surface. For example, after a long discussion, we finally squeegeed away our misunderstandings. I hope you enjoyed learning about squeegee and are excited to use it in your conversations or perhaps the next time you clean a window. Remember, language learning is not just about big, complex words. It's also about these small, quirky ones that add color to our conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video where we uncover more fascinating aspects of the English language.